If you're tired of watering your garden by hand, this is the system you need to get. I'm going to walk you through unboxing and installation, so let's go. It comes with everything you need to set it up, including the tubing, connectors, and adjustable emitters. To begin installation, start by connecting the 1/2-inch tubing to the faucet connector or straight to the garden hose. I went with the faucet adapter, so I attached it to the 1/2-inch tubing and then to the hose, and then I attached that to the faucet. And then you lay out the hose where you want the water to run. From there, you add the connectors and branch off smaller lines to reach each plant. Then you attach the emitters at the base so the water goes exactly where it's needed. Once everything is in place, you just close off the ends and turn the water on to test it. And this is when it all comes together. You can see it delivering a steady flow right to each plant. You can also adjust the output, which helps keep everything watered more evenly. Overall, it just makes watering a lot more consistent and takes a lot of the daily effort out of it. And I'm so glad the brand sent me this to try because I love it.